Hello trader, this is a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we may have in the market open, as tomorrow there is a new trading day and this is an NFP week, very important week. So let's see what kind of trading opportunity we may have in this upcoming week. So first of all, let's quickly look at multi-time frame approach to see overall picture in this market. Now looking at the monthly chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that XAU USD from the monthly there is an inverted head and shoulder. This is a historical perspective here with a very strong impulse followed by this correction, and we can see that another impulse followed by deeper correction here on XAU USD. And narrowing down to the monthly chart, as this is a monthly close and there will be new monthly open coming tomorrow, so therefore we can expect significant movement. As in this market structure from the monthly, we can see that XAUUSD is in an impulsive phase at the moment. We saw that there was an impulse correction, and after that back to back 2 months of pullback. So we saw December and January was a little slower movement, and we have seen that pullback. Therefore we can see that now with this candle close, expecting for the market to start bigger impulse to the upside, as it could be a new monthly impulse, and the price is in an all-time high, so there could be increased movement. Dropping down to the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective here, this is the weekly price action where there is an inverted head and shoulder from the weekly, strong bounce pullback to the neckline of this previous resistance, which is turning support here, followed by we can see that from this level there is a very strong breakout pullback, another breakout pullback. The market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrending market. And here is we can see that with this long doji, the market has broken completely to the downside on XAU USD. Now after this breakdown here, we can see the price form that structure here, forming series of higher low. And with that series of higher low formation, what we can expect for this market currently, as it is in an uptrend, we can expect for the market to continue to rise to create a new higher high. Dropping down to the daily chart, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is a typical uptrending market structure where the market respecting the 10 EMA and the price is forming series of higher low. Here is an impulse daily correction, another impulse correction, another impulse deeper correction. The market is forming again series of higher high and higher low, which is in an uptrending market structure. Now dropping down to the narrower zone here, this is the daily candlestick pattern where there is a daily doji. The price, if we closely look at it, we can see that there is a bullish daily bullish candle, followed by this is the daily doji here, and we could see that the market is slowly melting to the downside before bouncing back up again to create a new higher high. So looking at the 4-hour perspective here, we can see that this market is in a bullish trend at the moment. This is a trend line here, and with the trend line, the market currently, if we closely look at it, we can see the price is potentially, I think that we could see deeper drop here for breakup structure, as we can see the 4-hour drop here as approaching an important liquidity zone. We could see the price breaking below to another liquidity zone. And looking at the 1-hour chart, here is the market is in a trend, and we can see that a strong breakout sideway movement forming series of higher low here. And what we can see that the price has broken below currently, and with that break, expecting for the market to completely break below that support level here, and from that support we can expect for the market to potentially bounce again to create a new higher high. This is where we'll be waiting for a potential trading opportunity on XAU USD. So traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.